Okay. I have some chicken in the fridge if she wants it. Alright. Saying I know so now, last night, I go back now and I go back now last night and I say, I go book one, you know book one something, go down a Owie. Well, a knife?
Yeah, that's a fork. That's a fork.
This?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, those are the police. So, last night now, I say, I go down a Owie, because my aunt and very things and I feel like my man deserve a pum pum now. Anyways, I go down a Owie, and you know, I'm going to enjoy myself and bear things. This morning now, I had an appointment at 1 p.m. for go down at the apartment where I'm supposed to get approved. Thank be to God, I got approved. And I got approved. So, which means that your girl has her 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment and bare things. And I got approved by myself. I did all of this by myself. Remember, I was pre-approved first and then I got a guarantor. But then when them check it up, my money from my bank statement shows that I make 10 times the rent, so I got approved. Anyways, that's not what I come about. My day so now and I see the police them come and police knock on the door. I hear the bang bang, but I didn't know the bathroom. I use the bathroom, so I couldn't go down there yet. And later after I go down there now, I get this paper. And the officer said to me, say, you have court Friday. And that the girl, when they're in the house now, I'm not supposed to go near her. I'm not supposed to go near her workplace. I'm not supposed to contact her or nothing. So I say, what? Me and this girl have nothing. I saw me tell the police that me and she not have nothing. And me and the sister. So then when I look now, me I said to myself, say, Bounty. But now you see them girls that offer me food last night. And me never eat it. As she now go do this. And police I'm not going near her or whatever. It was just last night around 3 a.m. to 2 a.m. she offered me dinner. And I said, no, me no want it. And the people on TikTok, I said, don't take it, my them poison. I'm going to turn around and I say, she never yet cook and all. If I saw me sister and the things they want to cook and give me, I never take it. And that is why I can't tell me, say, don't go on social media with everything, because I say I lie, me I tell. Only that say me and the girl and a friend from a long time, I lie, I tell me. And the girl, she offered me food last night, she cook and offer me. I say me no want none. The juice that I have in the fridge and everything, I showed them well last night, dashed them well. So I said to the policeman, said, do I have to go to court? Because I don't really want this to follow me up, you know. I don't want it to follow me up or follow me up. He said, no, you don't have to go. If you don't go, it will just grant it and everything just done. I don't have to go near her or whatever. You know, if you just keep peace and not in a fight or not, if you just keep peace, so like me not have to go, so I not go. Him said me not have to go, because when I not go, it will just granted and I just stay far from her or whatever. Them say me not to go out there because she pack her things to leave, so me can't go out there and the police will stay inside in here, so me can't go out there so till she gone. So them want to get me out April 1st, but apparently the girl will live here with me now She a come out now. She a take out all her things them and she a go. So eventually I'm me alone over there. Fine. No problem. So I don't know if it's like a plan for she come out for them do me something now. But me, she put out one for me. I put out that one for she. Oh, excuse me. If I want to do the same thing, how do I do it? Put back a restraining order on her too.
I just want everything to be the same.
Okay, in a second. Okay, thank you. Yeah, man, come up again. I'm approved. I got approved today. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, big kitchen, big living room. When I think I wait for come out. Been about a while stay here, we get approved. So we get approved. So I don't need to stay here. Like I really don't. Yeah, me come out, man. Me come out. When they gone, me stay for my life. Me pack up my things. Then me come out. Me go down to Owie until because them ask me when more I'm moving to my new apartment. I'ma tell them Thursday because me need to want to pack up my stuff. Them and get everything in order. So now, me I pack them up in a big scandal bag, pan the live, and make Owie come back for me. And put all of my clothes them in there. Go down out tonight. Moving Thursday. No one officer come out tonight, me I come out. No. When them done, me I lock up the house and pack and come out after. And they put my life. Cause I get approved at my new apartment, so I'm good. Come in. Yeah.
So I'll talk to you real quick. This first page, right? Mm-hmm. They said, I'm going to jail?
You going to jail?
No. Remember how you asked me that?
Oh, yeah. I had to ask you because I don't know what it is.
It's the same place.
Yes.
So the same place you go into court is where you go get your own TPO.
Okay.
Okay. So go down to 2900 University Parkway. It's at Gwinnett County Jail. When you park, go in through the front doors. The metal detector, go to the front desk. Right. Let them know, hey, I want to take out a temporary protective order.
Okay.
They'll direct you upstairs to do it to the courtroom.
Okay.
Another thing that Deputy Fallon didn't touch on. So this is what's called an ex parte order, meaning there's one sided. So it's her. She went to a judge and told the judge a story. Okay. You can do the same thing. It's called a cross TPO.
Yes.
All right. Lastly, this order is valid in all 50 states and U.S. territories. All right. So if you guys say you go to Walmart, and you see her in Walmart, right now the order is against you. Don't matter if you've been shopping all day, you gotta leave. Okay. Okay, because if you don't, you can get arrested. Right. All right. Understand. We won't even see each other for real. Okay, thank you guys. Yeah, no problem, no problem. All right. I'll let you know when they leave so you can come out and do what you got to do. I don't know if it's a plan for her to leave to do me something here, but I'll make sure I'm gonna pop my stuff right too and leave now. Okay. So make sure that thank you. All right, no problem. So, okay, so I could watch you to close the door. Well, yeah, that's fine. All right. Everybody out. Huh?
I think she's got everything. She got her bag right here.
Okay.
All right. Because you just said she's going to leave too. So she's going to leave right now. So that was going to be Miss Wright.
Yeah.
We about to leave, all right?
Okay. All right, thank you. Yeah, I will. Could have tricked me too. But the greatest thing, so me get me apartment. So, when the cowardly, I talk about don't make them leave alone. I don't want you not front because when you see them when I bring me down, I don't want you not front when you're too coward. When you're too coward. When the girl they come here, you see they come class me and trace me and suck cocky pink wall, put it on her page. Me never hear no no say, Ivani. But I know no one. I don't want you not front and no move and go. Because when you see them when I cross this too. When you see them one say this to, not laugh for true, I read something. Them see him one say this today, and them see him one say that tomorrow. Some know when a man tell me about telling the police to wait for me like I'm afraid of nobody. You think that them can't touch me over here? A war for blood clot war. I don't want nobody ask me to pack my things now. I'm going to pack my things off of my own timing. Because if my name come on live, come chat a while ago, no, don't know, nothing what I'm going. It's in a coward self. I don't know, you know. I don't know. Sure. You want some nice clean apartment? My nice clean apartment. I don't even have to explain. I'm just happy. I'm happy for the people that help me. You know? But like, these people are crazy. I'm just gonna, you know, get my little. On a coward bad. Coward bad. I don't want to know to tell me about for listen. Make a block you. Me I start block everybody. On a coward bad. If me choose say me not come out till April 1st, even though me get me apartment, me not have to come out till April 1st. You think if anybody if you do me something, I say no. We first person I get in trouble. Make sure I go down to the court tomorrow go file my report to you know. So she not to be seen near me neither. One for you, one for me. You not to be seen near me, and me not to be seen near you. You file one for me, I file one for you. To me, I go down to the court, down at the address. Where they on the paper tomorrow, bright as 9 a.m. sharp, me I go down there. But go put out one too. You put out one, you know what you do, know me I do too. Cause you same one cook food last night, and you want to give me food, you know. As she cook the food I want to give me last night, and I tell her, say, me not eat the food, me not want it. Why all of a sudden you cook and want to give me? And I was on live. I was on my TikTok live when that happened. It looked like a 2 minute take food for she do what she want to do to me. She go report me now. She go, me don't know what this she do. No. I know, me not have to go the police. If me have to go the police that tell me, the police say me don't have to go. It's just this is just something for say don't go near her. What you call it a Jamaica restraining order? This is just something for say don't go near her. That the man say, I'm ask say, listen, I have to go because me know my name follow up on him something, you know. So he say, no, this is just something where as she got the police statement, you know what she gonna tell them say. So them say me no fi be senior her. If she there one, me top got Walmart now. If she there Walmart and me see her, then can lock me up at that policeman tell me. So since you put out something serious for me, I put out something serious for you to me. I go down at the state. I'm glad to see you right name up on the paper yesterday. I go down there tomorrow to down at the courthouse. Tomorrow when Thursday. It's a protective order or whatever it is. So me I'll go down there tomorrow and me I file my one too. Well, I same thing go for me, same thing go for she. Me have to stay 2,000 feet from she. She have to go stay 2,000 feet from me too. Alright, yeah, get black. Turn up my black party. Cause somehow I don't understand. Yeah, get black, yeah, get black. You get black. Yeah, get black, you chat too much. So me alone can get record. With the blood clot, she go down the courthouse to put out this for me. And this is going to be my record for 70 odd years. Me not can go down there to put out the same thing for she and the fair record for 72 years. I want to choose a citizen. Choose a citizen. Me can make the report about her. Okay. She can stay 22 feet far from me. Okay. It not going to be fair record neither. Okay. I can read on the stay right so. What? Threats being Bumbo. What kind of lie this for me? You're writing so threats being made.